All right, we got a little soccer break coming up here. MLS, 4 boxes, and then a couple boxes of 2019. Donruss. Start off with the MLS. We've ripped a good amount of this. I'm going to try to make this go a little bit faster. I'm going to stack it as I go. Alright, should get 2 to 3 hits out of this stuff from what we've seen in a bunch of different parallels. After this, I'll roll back into round 2 of Pearl Auction if you all are interested. I know there are definitely a lot of packs in them. Dos Santos, blue parallel to 99. Ziegler to 50, gold parallel. Oh, Zlatan. Ibrahimovic to 215. Dual jersey. Nice. I want to see a Zlatan patch. Orange parallel of Sean Johnson. 25. And a Christian Roldan jersey. This would be one of those 3-hit boxes. Andrew Carlton, blue to 99. And another Zlatan. Tell you what, if you're going to double up on a name, that's a pretty good one. That's the 220. Anton Tinnerholm. It's number 299 blue. And Vancouver Whitecaps to 50, gold parallel. Ooh, we got 1 to 10 too. 10 of 10. Michael Parkhurst, All-Stars. So the first one of those out of 10 I've seen. All right, good start. That's box number 1. Number 2. Looking for Atlanta. Atlanta FC, got it. I'm glad you liked it. That was sweet. That was sweet. We kind of just do stuff on the fly. I don't have anything planned for any of those sports. I mean, we can always try to do something. I've got first off the line we can do. I kind of wanted to do some of the Leaf Pearl though, since it's been pretty good value. Football is going to football and baseball are going to kind of dominate the next 2 weeks once honors and Flawless and Bowman come out. So, wanted to, while it's relatively new, keep doing the Leaf Pearl. Yeah, there's no autographs in this, so it's just memorabilia cards. Mem and parallels out of this stuff. But you seem to get a good number of low numbered pieces. So Tim Howard, I believe those are SPs. They're backwards. Diego Rossi to 25, orange parallel. Bobby Shuttleworth to 220. Gold of Zardis, Columbus Crew to 50. And a Ziegler to 99. Blue parallel. Alright, and R.J. Allen, blue parallel to 99. Give us something low numbered of Rennie. That's what I want to see. Daniel Royer, numbered to 220, jersey. And New England Revolution, Diego Fagundes. Austin Trusty to 50 gold. And a blue Matt Beasler, number 299. There's box number 2. Number 3. My third box in the MLS. Blue parallel of Gustav Svensson to 99. Andre Blake, 25, orange. Guzan, SP. Jesus Medina, number to 99. What's up?
What's up?
Busy, brother.
No, that's good. Gotcha. Just watching the talent.
Luciano Acosta to 25. Top 11. Tommy Smith to 99. And then to 210, Diego Rossi and Carlos Vela. That's a nice combo right there. LA's, I believe, undefeated on the season, aren't they? Been killing people. I think Vela actually leads the league in scoring. Jefferson Severino, gold to 50. And Anton Tinnerholm to 220, jersey. All right, finish up box number 3. James Sands to 50 gold. And 220 of Alejandro Fonmayor. Dynamo. Okay. Last box in the MLS before we switch on over to the Donruss portion. Let's get you a patch. Haven't seen a patch yet today. I think we're going to get a patch in this one. The patches are kind of hard to hit. Alright, last box on the MLS portion is Yordi Reyna, 25 orange. Blue, Federico Higuain to 99. Sebastian Giovinco, dual to 215, Toronto. David Guzman to 99. Blue. Stefan Fry to 220. Jersey. Mark Anthony K, 50. And Federico Higuain to 220 jersey. All right, finish up the MLS portion with a blue DC United to 99 team card. And blue Teal Bunbury is numbered to 99. The Diego Valerie SP. Alright, that does it for the MLS portion. Let's move on over to the Donruss. Things look like they're overflowing with cards. 30 cards per pack, 12 packs per. Alright, number 1. Autograph, Julie Ertz, Road to France, U.S. Women's National Team. Stuff looks pretty nice though with the chrome. It's a company. I'm looking for all the numbered stuff, if there is any. Pulisic. I'll ship you everything though. There's a Tagliafico, number to 99. Chrome. It's cool looking insert there, Magicians. Malik. Yep, 2 autos per. Legend Series, Diego Maradona. Alright, this is number 2, 100. A Patrick Cutrone to 100 rated rookies. Die cut is an Mbappe base. Modric. Rodrigo Valencia. It's number 299. DeAndre Yedlin. Explosive. It's a cool insert. I like that a lot. PK to 75. Proof. Manuel Neuer. Elite Series. Press proof, Sergio Aguero. Beckenbauer to 25. Matt Miska. Press proof. Team USA. Press proof, Tagliaferro. 40. Gareth Bale. Dominator of Cristiano Ronaldo. Kevin De Bruyne. Green parallel. That's number 5 of 5. Nice hit right there. De Bruyne 5 of 5. It's a Messi Magicians insert. Still should have one more autograph coming. A Benjamin Mendy. Blue parallel. 149. Titans of Neymar insert. Really digging the inserts in this stuff. Pretty solid. Alright, and last pack should have an autograph. And it is Giovanni Dos Santos. Rakitic. It's a Ribéry. Bayern Munich. And base. Alright. Pretty solid break right there. Going over here to the box number 2. Yeah, I like the optic parallels a lot. The cards look really nice. Alright, 12 more packs. Let's do it. Blue autograph. Koki. Atletico Madrid to 50. Iron Robin. Diego Costa. Proof. Hector Herrera. Blue. It's numbered to 149. Kimmich, press proof. Neymar and a Kyle Walker. Red laser parallel, numbered 10 of 50. We got a black laser parallel coming up here too. It is Sol Nunez, Atletico Madrid to 25. Robin press proof. Pulisic. Gold press proof of Tom Rogic. It's numbered to 75. It's got a little ding corner down there. Came out, little ding corner. And second autograph. Nice, Carly Lloyd. That's sweet. Road to France. One. Carly Lloyd is unnumbered. Thierry Henry. Press proof. Die cut Borussia Dortmund. Wetzel to 100. Dele Alli, press proof. Ronaldo, out of this world. Yes, he is. Weston McKennie, die cut to 100. Team USA. It's a Ronaldinho Legend Series. And our last pack. Finishing on up. Got a Leon Goretzka. That is to 149, blue. To round it on out. All right, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Some awesome stuff out of the soccer. Hope you enjoyed. I will get it all packed up and out ASAP.